Dear children, today in your grammar learning, you can see how to use the fourth set of conjunctions and their parallel prepositional phrase. Last week, you learnt how to use the third set of conjunctions so and so, as, since, because. I hope you remember the third set of conjunctions can be used for positive work and its positive result, whereas the fourth set of conjunctions should be used for talking about positive work and its unexpected opposite or negative result. For example, let us take two sentences. Mohan ran fast is the first sentence. The second sentence is he could not catch the bus. Unlike last week's example, here the second sentence Mohan could not catch the bus is an unexpected opposite outcome. So, for connecting the positive work and its unexpected opposite result, we can use the coordinating conjunctions like but or yet. When we join the two sentences by using either but or yet, we will get the compound sentence. Hence, the compound sentence is Mohan ran fast but he could not catch the bus. To make a complex sentence out of this compound sentence, first of all, we must remove the conjunction but or yet, and we can use any one of the subordinating conjunctions, either though, although, or even though. Now we get the complex sentence. Our complex sentence goes like this. Though Mohan ran fast, he could not catch the bus. Although or even though Mohan ran fast, he could not catch the bus. Now, to change this complex sentence into simple sentence, we can use the prepositional phrase in spite of. Here, see the tabular column given last week and refer the fourth set. To change the complex sentence into simple sentence, I will give you the steps to be followed. Step 1. Remove the conjunction though, even though, or although and use the prepositional phrase in spite of. Step 2. Remove the subject Mohan that can be used at the back part of the sentence. Step 3. Remove the past form of the verb ran. Instead of that, use participle form, that means verb plus ing form. Step 4. At the back part, you have the pronoun he. Please remove the pronoun he and use the proper noun Mohan. Now your simple sentence is ready. Now your simple sentence goes like this. In spite of running fast, Mohan could not catch the bus. Now you children, we will see one more example. The first sentence is the boys played well. And the second sentence is they did not win the match. So the second sentence says the unexpected opposite result. So we can use the fourth set of conjunctions and prepositional phrase for making compound, complex and simple sentences. By using but or yet, our compound sentence is the boys played well but they did not win the match. By using though, although or even though, our complex sentence is though the boys played well, they did not win the match. By using in spite of, our simple sentence is in spite of playing well, the boys did not win the match. Now, once again refer the tabular column and do the following exercise by using the fourth set of conjunctions and parallel prepositional phrase. After completing the above exercise, send the answers here, thumbs up emoji with your name before tomorrow evening. Thank you, children.